Any Windows computer can be controlled remotely. Let me show you how. To be able to control a server on your network, here's what you need to do. Click Start, then Settings. Click System, and then Remote Desktop. Click here to enable Remote Desktop. This message explains that certain users will be able to connect to this computer remotely. Confirm by clicking Confirm. The next step is to choose which user can actually control the server remotely. Click here to select users. As you can see here, the domain administrator already has access. Click here to add other users. Enter the username here and click OK or press Enter. You can add additional users by following the last step. When done, click OK.
Please subscribe.
To be able to control a Windows 11 computer, click Start, then Settings. Scroll down and click Remote Desktop. Enable Remote Desktop by clicking here. Click Confirm just like you did on the server and click here to choose who can remotely control this computer. Click Add, then the username and click OK or press Enter. Apply this step to any additional user that needs to have remote control access to this computer. By the way, it doesn't have to be a user. You can create a domain group and add it here, then add users to that group to allow them remote control access. Click OK to complete the configuration. Here's what you need to do to initiate the remote control session. From your Windows 11, click Start and then search Remote Desktop Connection. You can also use the Run window and use the command mstsc. When the application opens, click here to see additional options. Enter the name of the computer you want to control here. The Display tab allows you to choose a resolution for the remote control window. This will open it in full screen. This option will show a bar at the top of the screen showing when you are connected to a remote computer. This tab allows you to choose which locally connected resources will be configured on the remote computer. For example, when this is checked, you will be able to print to your local printer from the remote computer. The configuration in this tab is usually used for slower internet connections. It allows you to disable some visual items and arguably have it work slightly faster. The settings in this tab allow you to get a warning if the computer authentication fails and additional settings that are used in a Microsoft Terminal server environment. When you go back to the General tab, you can type your username here and choose to save the password here. If you leave these blank, you will be required to enter this information after you click Connect. Enter the password here or click here to choose another user. Then click OK or press Enter. This is the bar that indicates that you are connected to a remote computer. You can resize the remote control window to see your desktop. A good use for this is to copy and paste files between these two computers. Clicking this will close the remote control bar. To get it back, simply point your mouse to the top of the screen and click this again. To close the remote connection, click here. Note that clicking the Start, choosing Power, and then Shutdown will actually shut down the remote computer. This is for obvious reasons not really recommended. So at the end of your session, simply click here and disconnect by clicking OK. If you liked it and you want to know more, you have to watch this video next.